let you guys know the review. This is how it looks.
What happened, Pratiksha?
I'm sleepy. They say food gives you energy, but it's completely wrong. Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my vlog. If you are new here, hi, my name is Pratiksha. Thank you for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, guys, I was going out and I wanted to try this product which I got as a birthday gift from my friend. So, I thought, why not to try this? So, let's get started with the video. So, guys, let's use it and I'll let you guys know the review. So yes, this is how it looks. So before using this, don't forget to apply heat protectant and comb your hair. I have combed my hair and now let me apply the serum. So you need to apply serum only for your hair and not from the roots. So yes, my hair is prepped. So guys, this has a very long wire. Let's get it connected and I'm trying this for the first time so I don't know how it will be. So let's on it. It has a sound, guys. It has on off and two stages. That is, one is normal. This is too normal. This is the highest. So let's try. Guys, can you make out the difference? This side it's kind of straight and not frizzy, but this side it looks very frizzy. So I'll complete both the sides and then I'll see you guys. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm done with the with using this. So this is how it looks. The result is this. So I hope you guys can make out the difference. But yes, so this is a good product. But one thing is it's very heavy and it makes a lot of noise. So it's very irritating. But apart from that, it does a very good job. So my hair got straightened. Like it took 15 minutes to get straightened. Yes, that's it. So only the drawback is the sound and the heavy. So yes, guys, this is how my hair looks now. So yeah, now let's go and I'll continue my vlog there. So I am going to one restaurant in Hyderabad, that is Subbayya Gari restaurant, and it is kind of famous. It's a pure veg restaurant. Yes, guys, I'm having veg. So let's go and check it out. It's a buffet kind of thing where you can eat unlimited food, and people here they say they give a lot of respect in terms of food. So there is a Telugu phrase, something I don't know. I'll let you guys know asking my Telugu friends. So yes, guys, without wasting a time, let's go. Stay tuned. Guys, we reached Subbayya Gari Hotel, and this is in exactly in front of AMB Mall, and Uma is with me. So yes, guys, let's go, and I will show you guys the ambience and food and everything. So yeah, let's go. Guys, it's a bad luck. There is no banana leaf here today. So first time only I came, and first time only this is happening with me. But food is all same. So let's see. I am excited to try, but not that much because it is pure veg. And if you know me, you know I usually don't spend money on pure veg restaurants. Guys, today one of our friend has joined us. Let me introduce you guys to him. Hi Ganesh. Hi. Camera shy. And this is, you all already know her. Guys, this is a plate they are giving us. Usually allowed to the Uma.
బనానా లీఫ్‌తో ఉంటది. అక్కడ ఉంది వాళ్ళకి యాక్చువల్లీ.
So it's a bad luck today, right? No worries. We will eat in this anyway. ఈ రెస్టారెంట్ ఏనైతలా this has various multiple branches in Hyderabad. So we are here in Kondapur branch, and as I told you guys, it is unlimited veg food, and for per person it is 380 rupees. So you guys, if you guys come to Hyderabad, or you guys are already in Hyderabad, you guys can try this. Pulihora and tomato chutney is a combination, is what they are telling. So this restaurant is a pure Andhra food restaurant. So let's eat. Let's try. This is called Purna, and they have given ghee on it. So let's try it. This is good. It tastes like holige. Inside it's a holige stuff, and outside they have fried it in oil. So it's good. They have recommended to eat this tomato pachadi with puliora. Let's try this one. Fulfilling.
కందిపొడి మేడం. ఇందులో పప్పు ఆవకాయ కాంబినేషన్. కొంచెం కరివేపాకు పొడి పుల్ల కలపండి. కరివేపాకు పొడి మాత్రం అలాగే తినండి, ఇందులో ఏం కలపకూడదు, ప్లేన్లో తినాలి.
This is some kind of chutney. This is pappu, and this is mango pickle. So these three is a combination, is what they're telling with ghee. Mm, so good.
Guys, he's sleeping. What happened, Pratiksha?
I'm sleepy.
Why? You like the food?
Yes, food is good. That's why I'm feeling sleepy.
Okay. Which one is your favorite?
Pappu and rice.
With that
Rice.
kanda podi is nice, no? Rating please.
8 out of 10.
She is missing chicken, guys.
Correct.
Guys, she is walking all around to empty her stomach.
Completely full, guys. I can't eat anymore. But here waiters are not allowing me to get up from my table. They have, see here, show here. I have still so much to eat. Guys, I'm literally full, but I have so much things on my plate. I'm fully sleepy. Can't wait to go back and sleep. Ma, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
ఇంకా అలానే ఉంది.
I'm done. But
నిద్ర వస్తుందా?
yes,
ಕರ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್. ಗೈಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಳ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ಫುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಜಿ. I can't even open my eyes properly because I'm very sleepy. Food was good, everything was good, but namak banana leaves siglila. That is one disappointment. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'm ending my vlog here. I'm going back to my room and I'll directly go to sleep. No scrolling phone, nothing. Tomorrow is Sunday. Mastagi rest tagotene. So yes, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.